Ever since farming began, this is where we've got our meat from, animals kept on farms or hunted in the wild. In the next few years, however, all that could change. Our future supplies of pork, lamb, beef and even fish could be grown in laboratories. This is the latest and potentially most profitable spin-off from scientific advances in cell culture, a technology that lets us pluck cells from almost any organism and grow them artificially. Scientists like Mark Post from Holland's Maastricht University have pioneered this field.
So can you do the honours and lift the lid on your creation?
5 years ago, he produced the world's first cultured meat meal, a burger grown in his lab.
This is a technology that can be transferred to other animals.
Since then, he and others have founded manufacturing firms such as Memphis Meats, which makes meatballs, and Just, which makes chicken substitutes. The big question, though, is whether such products really can be classed as meat. Vegans say yes, they welcome it because it offers the chance of eating meat without consuming their conscience. But the meat industry says no. Farmers fear that cultured meat will undermine their livelihoods, especially if it can be grown cheaper than the real thing. Now DEFRA, the government's food ministry, has sided with farmers, banning manufacturers from calling their products meat. The vegans are furious, and so is the fledgling clean meat industry. And it's not just meat. Another firm, Finless Foods, wants to create the most expensive of fish, the magnificent bluefin tuna, in a laboratory, or at least its meat. If these firms succeed, they could replace millions of acres of farmland with just a few factories, reopening that land to wildlife. It could also take pressure off endangered species like tuna. Cultured meat, clean meat or fake meat, call it what you will, but our dinner plates could soon be very different.